And today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of launcher on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve launcher on Gmail, we click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, we can search about Gmail app, and you will enter here. Then you can click on First Stop, and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click Clear Cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. Here. And then you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.